Welcome back to the channel Tech More. Have you ever wondered how some brands consistently produce captivating video ads that seem to hit the mark every time? Today we're exploring a potential game changer for marketers, creators, and businesses alike. It's called JoggAI, and this isn't just another video editing tool. With powerful AI capabilities behind it, this platform is poised to transform the way you create video ads. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is JoggAI? It's an AI-driven platform designed to turn your web content into compelling video ads with just a few clicks. The concept is simple but highly effective. By analyzing your web page, JoggAI can transform your content into dynamic, audience-engaging videos within minutes. In essence, it acts as an AI-powered video ad factory. You provide the input, and it delivers polished, professional-looking video ads. Think of it as having your own video editor and scriptwriter combined in one powerful tool. JoggAI offers a wide variety of templates tailored to different product categories, from home and kitchen to beauty, clothing, electronics, and sports. It even includes lifelike AI avatars to enhance brand representation and boost your marketing efforts. This platform's advanced AI can interpret text descriptions, images, and video content to create compelling narratives in different styles. Features like its AI scriptwriter and automated B-roll generation powered by multimodal technology make it ideal for streamlining production and cutting costs. For marketers handling large-scale campaigns, JoggAI Batch Mode facilitates video creation at scale, enabling swift testing and optimization of high-performing content. Here are some key features of JoggAI AI-powered scriptwriting. One of JoggAI Quote's standout features is its AI scriptwriter, which generates narratives based on data from thousands of successful ads. It removes the guesswork from scriptwriting and ensures your message resonates with your target audience. You simply input key product or service details, and the AI crafts a tailored script. AI avatars. With over 30 avatars to choose from, you can select digital personas that deliver your message in a style consistent with your brand's tone and personality. Whether you're aiming for a polished corporate look or a more casual, friendly approach, there's an avatar to suit your needs. Automated B-roll generation. JoggAI can pull footage directly from your website or merge it with an extensive stock media library.
Hey everyone, if you're looking for a top-notch USB microphone, the Maono AU-A04 is a game changer. First, it boasts a...
Ever struggled with foggy goggles, painful nose marks, or annoying leaks while swimming? The
which is ideal for showcasing your products in action without needing to film new footage. Creative control. Although JoggAI automates much of the process, you still have control over the creative direction.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with JoggAI. Simply type your script to get started.
You can tweak scripts, select specific video clips, and add your branding elements to ensure the video reflects your vision.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with JoggAI. Simply type your script to get started.
Getting started with JoggAI is straightforward. Just create an account, provide details about your product or service, like your target audience and brand voice, and choose a narrative style. From there, the AI handles the rest. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see it in action. I'll quickly create an ad using JoggAI. All I have to do is input a website URL, choose a narrative style, pick an avatar, and within minutes, I have a ready-to-use video ad. The process is incredibly simple. Input the URL, tweak a few settings, and voila, a polished video in just a few minutes. Once the AI generates the content, you can make further edits, adjust the script, swap video clips, or even add your own voiceover and music. When you're happy with the final product, simply export the video and upload it to your preferred platform.
Ever had your TV remote die during the final minutes of a game? Or your flashlight quit in the middle of a spooky story? Meet Duracell Copper Top AA batteries with power boost ingredients. Guaranteed to last 12 years in storage, always ready when you need them. Duracell, the #1 trusted battery brand for moments that matter most.
JoggAI caters to a wide range of users. Whether you're a small business owner creating social media ads, an entrepreneur designing product explainers, or a YouTuber developing promotional content, this tool can streamline your video production process. JoggAI has several advantages.
Hey guys, we just need a 1-minute video.
It's user-friendly, saves time, and delivers high-quality content. However, as a relatively new platform, it does have avatar variety. It's a valuable tool that's bound to improve as it evolves. AI-powered features offer a significant time savings benefit, especially for beginners in video creation. Finally, let's talk the packages. JoggAI offers a free tier that's great for testing the waters, but for more features and higher video limits, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The pricing is competitive with other video creation tools, and considering the time and effort you save, it can be a cost-effective solution, particularly if you're producing a large volume of video ads. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment on below. If you have any question, thank you so much for watching.